Lamb shanks are marinated in spices with some rose water, steeped saffron water, and then it's baked till fall off the bone delicious. You're going to love this recipe. Today we're making Persian lamb shanks. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making the most delicious Persian lamb shanks. These are going to be marinated in a very special marinade, and then they're going to be slow cooked in my oven. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with the saffron water infusion. I have a large pinch of saffron here, and I'm going to cover this with a 1/4 cup of hot water. I have 2 lamb shanks here, and these weigh about 3 pounds and 3.5 ounces, and they have both been scored so the marinade can get right into the meat. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. For that beautiful color and a mild flavor, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric. I have some lemon rind here. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon rind. I love garlic, so I'm going to add 1/4 cup of crushed garlic. I literally took garlic and I crushed it with my meat mallet. This is optional, but I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed rose petals. Now I'm going to add the juice of a lemon and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to rub this marinade all over the lamb shanks, and I'm going to push some of that garlic right into the slits. For best results, marinate this overnight. I'm going to transfer my lamb shanks into a roasting pan, but we're not going to waste any of that marinade. I have about a cup of sliced onion here. I'm just going to allow the onion to absorb all of that leftover marinade. And then I'm going to add the onion to the roasting pan. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves as well as a half teaspoon of rose water. You can find rose water at any Middle Eastern or Indian store. The saffron has now infused the water, and I'm going to pour this over the lamb shanks. I'm also going to add half a cup of meat or veggie stock at the bottom of the pan. This is now going to be cooked for 2.5 to 3 hours in my preheated 350-degree oven. I will start cooking this covered, and then I will cook it uncovered in the last hour. Your cook time will depend on the size of your lamb shanks and your oven. Once it's done, this meat should just about fall off the bone. I like to serve these lamb shanks over fragrant rice with nuts and pomegranate seeds. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this super delicious recipe for Persian lamb shanks. You can serve this at a celebration and everyone will love it. If you love this recipe, guys, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget, share these videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of the recipes as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels. I upload a ton of behind the scenes footage there, so make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care.